Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Online Property Bazaar. And I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using the PHP version 7 and MySQL version is 5.6. For running this project I'm using the Jamp server. But if you have the other PHP and MySQL based server, then you can also configure and run this project on those servers. If you are using Linux operating system, then you can configure and run this project on the LAMP stack. And if you are using the Mac operating system, then you can configure and run this project on the Mac stack. Right. So this project is suitable for all of the operating systems. Right. For Windows operating system, you can either use the XAMPP or well, on both of the platform this project will work. Right. So we have used latest version of the PHP and MySQL. So you can use latest version of XAMPP, which has PHP version 7 and MySQL version 5.6. Right. So this server side technology and softwares we have used for developing this project. So this is a web-based project. So for front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used like form validations, creating sliders. As you are seeing, there is a slider running on the home page, and creating date calendar plugins, integration of the form validations. We have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technology stacks we have used for developing this project. So let's just start with the functionality go through. So the project title is Online Property Bazaar, and this is a PHP and MySQL web-based mini DBMS project. Web-based because it runs on the browser, right? DBMS because we have used MySQL for performing the CRUD application, create, read, update, and delete operations, right? So let's just start with the functionality go through. So this is the homepage of the project. You can see this is a simple homepage which we had developed in the simple HTML. This is about project, right? This is also a static page. If you want to change the content, then just open the about.php and you can change content from there. This is all properties, right? From where you can see all of the properties which you have added from the database, in the database, right? And this, there is a provision for adding properties. You can also search property according to the area, right? Just search the enter the area name, and after that you will be able to find out all of the property of that area. Just click on the property image, you will be able to see the details of the property, right? This is a login from where you will be able to log in. Means admin will be able to log in. There is no provision for customer login and customer registration. This is a contact us. This is a static contact us page. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending a type of email and SMS from this page. So let's just log in. So the user ID is admin and the password is test. Once you log inside the system, you will get this dashboard, right? From here, you will be able to perform all of the administration option, right? So let me go through one by one. So this menu option is also available here in the header bar, right? You can see the above menu has been changed because it's a session driven. If admin login inside the system, then you will get the administration option. But if admin doesn't log in, then this administration option will not be displayed. Let me show you. If I log out, then you can see no administration option is displaying. If I log in, then administration options is displaying, right? So home already explained you about us, already explained you all properties. This is a dashboard. Add property. From here you will be able to add the property name, right? So this type and the status is coming from the database. If you want to change it, or if you want to edit it, you can do it from PHP admin, right? You can fill out all of the information. After that you can submit and save it into the database, right? This is reports. This is a property listing. All of the properties which you are added into the database will be displayed here, right? And you can search the property from here also, right? Republic. You can see it's real-time search. You can filter the record. You can sort the record. You can set the paginations, and if there is more than 10 records, then the menu option will be the pagination will be displayed here, right? Okay. So this is the report. This is a property listing and already explained you. This is a my account from where you will be able to, Miss admin will be able to update his account details. This is a change password from where admin will be able to update his account password, and after updating his account password, he will be able to log in with that updated password. Log out. So once log out, then all of the session will be destroyed and none of the administration menu will be displayed, and you will not be able to access the internal pages. So once you log out, then you can see you are not able to access the internal pages, right? means internal pages links are not available here in the header bar, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project online property bazaar. And as I told you earlier, this is a mini project developed in PHP and MySQL. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.